So here's what we got to do. That's a glass truck. They just dropped off our glass. We got to take this giant piece of glass and put it up there. That thing is like 7 feet tall. And 2 guys got to get it in there, raise it to there, raise it to there, and then install it in there.
Are you guys all union in that shop?
Hey Greg, stand in front of that piece of glass. I just want to get height reference.
Get down on your knees and make it look bigger.
Yeah, that's pretty tall. We got to get it in there and then get it up in there.
Thank you, sir. Yep.
Be careful when you put that in.
Oh, no shit, man.
Why did you get something?
Oh boy, here we go.